I don't think so.
Yes, I did going down.
If you go in a puddle, you will definitely get your dress all dirty.
But
Here, let me give you a little push, okay?
But they were definitely so small.
Ring your bell.
Later.
Later? Wow, I've never seen somebody driving a bicycle wearing a dress like that before. And you're going so fast, too. Do you think you can miss this puddle, or should I help you? Hey, you're going in it! Oh, good. Good, you missed it. Ruby, get out of there! Ruby, get out of there! Ruby, get out of there!
Ruby, you're gonna get a dirty paw.
Ruby, come on, get out of there.
Ruby's getting dirty paws. Ruby.
Now she's definitely gonna need a big bath.
Yeah. Ruby, you need a bath.
Whoa, what happened there? You gonna take a break for a bit?
No, I'm just moving this straight ahead.
Oh, okay.
I feel I didn't fall down and hurt my knee with blood.
Good job missing all those puddles.
I wanted them before, I'm sure.
Really?
Yeah. Take it back.
Where is that Ruby going now?
Ruba dooba cooba, Ruba dooba cooba cooba. I wanted a puddle.
Oh no!
It was just a tiny floppy one.
A floppy puddle?
Yeah.
I've never heard of a floppy puddle before in my whole entire life.
It was just a tiny floppy puddle. For real.
Well, I hope your dress didn't get dirty.
Yeah, it didn't get dirty because it was definitely so small. It was like this small.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, it was like that small. But not this small for real. Not this small for real. It was just this small. It was this small.
Oh, that's tiny.
Yeah, that's tiny.
Ruby, what are you doing? What are you doing, Rube? Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened there?
I'm definitely not even going to fall down here.
Definitely not?
Yeah, definitely not even fall down.
Okay.
Daddy, before I could ride this bike myself, right?
You are riding it yourself. What do you mean?
No, when I was 3, I couldn't ride it by myself.
No?